Hey folks, welcome back to the Murray Homestead. We are in my wood shop today. I just wanted to show you all the last project I just made. It is a nice little black walnut coffee table. Basically, I started out with some 8/4 solid rough milled black walnut. I milled it all down so it's about 1.5 inches thick now. I used my router and put kind of a cool like trapezoid type shape on it. And to go along with that, I made some trapezoid shaped legs. You can tell it's a trapezoid, but it's not really dramatic because I wanted to keep the base as wide as possible to keep this thing nice and stable. Speaking of which, I put little leveling feet on there. So no matter what part of the house you put this in, you can make it nice and level. For strength and for looks and for functionality, I put these 2 rails here on the bottom. They're also solid black walnut, and I used a little cross half lap joint here to put them in, and I think they turned out pretty decent. And I like how it looks because you get that surface grain along with the end grain mixed in there, and then it gives you a nice place to put books and blankets and stuff like that on there. And then to finish it, I used Wannabe Rubio Monocoat, aka Natura One Coat. I'll leave a link in the description. It's basically Rubio Monocoat, but at half the price. And in my opinion, it works just as well. It's really easy, wipe on, wipe off. And it's nice because it's VOC free. You can literally use it for like children's wooden toys and stuff. And I did my little water test on it, and water does beat up on it. And I did that over the whole thing. And then I used my little custom wax, beeswax combination that I make myself, and I put that on the top and then buffed it out so you get just it's a little bit more shiny than matte, so maybe like a satin sheen, but it brought out the chartreuse a little bit more, and then it makes it even just slightly more durable. So I'll let my wife get some cool shots so you can see some of the details, but that's about it. If you want to see how I make stuff like this, I have a whole wood shop, and I'm trying to make some more videos in here. So if y'all be interested, just let me know. And this will also be on my website for my company. It's called www.zmcc.co. That's like Zach Murray Custom Creations. That's the name of my LLC. I hope y'all like it. I'll see y'all next time.